Again, you are welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'll be explaining to us how to calculate our lye and water, which is very important. Is the most important thing in soap production. Okay, by the time you know your lye and water, it will help you. Many people have reached me and then telling me that they are wasting a lot of chemicals because they are not getting it right. Well, there are two ways you can go about it. If you want to go on your own to get it right from the online, you can go and be careful. Make sure you get every necessary details like what I'm going to tell you now, or you go for physical class, anyone that pays you there. But all the way I'm going to explain a little to you. I will explain a little how you can calculate your lye and water. Okay, and then so the first thing we're going to do is that we go to your Play Store to download the app. We call it Soap Calculator app. Okay, there we have Soap Card, we have Saponify, we have Soap Friend, and I will be pointing to us the Soap Friend, which is this one. This is the Soap Friend I'm going to use. Okay, so I open it. So this is what will come up. Like today, this is the date I'm recording it, and then you can see new recipe. You can read details of what is written there. Okay, now here we have liquid or solid. Which one are we going for? I'm going to concentrate on the solid soap for us, which is the using of sodium hydroxide. Okay, you can see it's already there. Okay, and then the other ones are written there. Okay, so the next thing we are going to see is just scroll through it and read everything that is there. So you look at this one is it's talking about the unit to be used. The unit to be used. This place. So we have percentage, grams, kilometer, pounds, and so on. So which one do you want to go on? Do you want to use percentage? If you are going to use percentage, you can leave it like that. Okay, we can leave the percentage. The percentage is already written there for us. And if you want to change, you can change it. But normally I use grams. Okay. So the next thing is we are told how our water should be. Light to water should be 2 to 1. This place. Okay, that means your water should be double of whatever the lye you get, and then the lye concentration is already written there for you. Then we move to the super fat. By the time you calculate it, we'll be seeing the super fat at the end of it. So we have oil, fat, and you can see, just follow whatever is written there. Then this oil, then you have different kind of oil. Whatever the oil you want to use, they're all there. Different kind of oil. Select the oil you want and the amount you want. Okay, if you like, you can select your additive also. You can select your additive, the liquid one you want. You can even put your fragrance there. Select your fragrance there. Okay, so I haven't done all those ones. The next thing it's going to give you is that it will take you to the result. Do you know why the result is not yet written here? Because you have not fixed the oil you want. So when you fix your oil, or you DM me, let me know the oil you want to use, and then we fix it there for you, and we can do the calculation. But remember, I run online classes and I run physical class. I run live classes, that is on one-to-one. We'll be chatting and you'll be seeing each other. We'll be doing it so that the result I get from my end, you also get it. Yes, it's possible. Live production. I wrote from here, you learn from there. I have people already. Okay, so the next thing is your setting. It's a simple thing, very simple. But if you get this one, you get everything you need in soap production. Yes, I've had some people ask me, please madam, the process of the 1 liter oil to 1 liter water. I say they are well done. How much of caustics are they using, and how much other additive are they adding to it? Okay, but with this one is a simple logic. It will help you if you want to put additive. Okay, let's open additives and you see different additive that I look at it. The additive you can put, can you see? So many additive to be put there. What do you want to put? Look at it. So many additive. This app is loaded. It's super loaded. Congratulations that you are coming across this video. Is going to help you a lot. The other one I did sometimes, I used the Saponify, but that Saponify is no more on Play Store, so that's why I shifted to this. I remember one of the comments say, madam, where have you been all this while? In fact, this is what I've been looking for. I know that will be on your own testimony, but in case you don't understand anything here, please reach out to me. I'll be willing to. You'll see my number there. Please reach out to me. I'll be willing to help, more than willing to help. Okay, see you there. God bless you.